Good morning, dear students. Let's start tangents and normals. Students, this is lecture 3rd, and in the previous sessions I have explained to you the basic concepts of the tangents and normals, and we have find the slope of tangents. Now students, in this session we will discuss about the equation of tangents. So here we have the working rule. Equation of curve is given, and second is we have to find the derivative of curve to get the slope of tangent. And third point is put the point in the slope of tangent at which the tangent touches the curve, and equation of tangent at point x1 y1 with slope m is y minus y1 is equals to dy over dx x minus x1. स्टूडेंट, सबसे पहले आपको क्वेश्चन में कर्व की इक्वेशन गिवन होगी, आपको उसका डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. सो dy बाई डी एक्स इज़ द स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट. बट स्टूडेंट्स, एक सिंगल कर्व पर हम कितने भी टेंजेंट्स को ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, बट वी हैव टू फाइंड द टेंजेंट at a particular point. Okay, so students, that point will be given in the statement, and we have to put the point in the slope of tangent at which the tangent touches the curve. Equation of tangent at that point with slope m is y minus y1 is equals to slope x minus x1. Now students, use this working rule in the questions. Here we have question number 4, exercise 6.3. Find the slope of tangent to the curve at the point whose x coordinate is 3. We can also say that whose abscissa is 3. हमें स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट फाइंड करना है एंड कर्व इज गिवन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. वी हैव हियर y इज इक्वल्स टू एक्स क्यूब माइनस 3x प्लस 2, and derivative of y with respect to x is 3x squared, and derivative of minus 3x is only minus 3, and 2 is constant, so its derivative is 0. And here x coordinate is 3, so we have to put the point in the slope. For that, we get dy over dx is equals to 3 into square root of 3 minus 3. We get 3 into 3 into 3, we get 27. 27 minus 3. In this way, we get answer 24. Hence, slope of tangent is 24. Now students, here we have question number 5. That's really important question. Find the slope of normal to the curve. X is equals to a cos cube theta and y is equals to a sin cube theta at theta is 45 degree. Students, हमें normal का slope find करना है. What is normal? Normal is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. आप देख सकते हैं students, if I draw a curve and here I make a tangent, and normal is what? Is perpendicular at the point of contact. So student, that is the perpendicular. We can also say that orthogonal. But student, in this question, here the equation of curve is given in the form of parametric. So students, we use the parametric method to solve the equation. And here we have angle 45 degree. So students, let's start. X is equals to a cos cube theta. Derivative of x with respect to theta is a is constant as it is. Cos cube theta is 3 cos square theta, and derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. In this way, we get dx over d theta is equals to minus 3a sin theta cos square theta. Now students, we have to do derivative of y with the same method. Dy over d theta is equals to, here a is constant and sin cube theta का derivative होता है 3 sin square theta, and derivative of sin theta is cos theta. In this way, we get dy over d theta is equals to 3a sin square theta cos theta. Now students, we know that slope of tangent is denoted by dy over dx. So students, we can also write as dy over d theta multiply with d theta over dx. We can also write, you already have done this in the parametric method. So students, you can also write as dy over d theta over dx. In this way, d theta to d theta will cancel out, and we will again get dy over dx. So students, we can write this as, now put the value of dy over d theta and dx over d theta to get the slope of tangent. So 3 to 3 cancel, a to a cancel out, sin theta to squared and cos theta to squared will cancel, and we will get minus sine theta over cos theta. In this way we get minus tan theta. Now students, put theta is equals to pi by 4, then we get dy over dx is equals to minus tan 45, and we know that tan 45 is minus 1. So students, in this way we get the slope of tangent to the curve, but we have to find the slope of the normal. And students, in the remarks I have already discussed in session 1 that if two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes is equals to minus 1. So students, we will use this concept. Tangent is perpendicular to the normal, hence slope of tangent into slope of normal is equal to minus 1. And here we have already find slope of tangent is minus 1. So in this way we get slope of normal is 1. So hence slope of normal is 1. This is important question. So students, do more practice, a lot of practice of this. And here is the next question, question number 6. This is also important. Find the slope of normal to the curve x is equals to 1 minus a sine theta and y is equals to b cos square theta at theta is equals to 90. Students, आप देख सकते हैं x and y both are variable in the form of theta, and these equations are in parametric form. And here theta is the parameter and theta is given as 90 degree. This is the similar question. So first, find the derivative of x with respect to theta. Dx over d theta, derivative of 1 is 0, minus a as it is, derivative of sine theta is cos theta. In this way, we get dx over d theta is equals to minus a cos theta. Similarly, students, y is equals to b cos square theta, do its derivative. B is constant, cos square theta is 2 cos theta, and derivative of cos theta is minus sine theta. In this way, we get dy over d theta is equals to minus 2b sine theta cos theta. Students, you can also write this 2 sine theta cos theta as sine 2 theta. But students, you know that we have to put these values in the slope of tangent. So cos theta to cos theta cancel out, so that we will not use this formula. Okay students. So students, here you can see dy over dx is equals to dy over d theta and dx over d theta. Here is x. So students, put the values, and here cos theta to cos theta cancel out. We get 2b sine theta over a. We need to find the slope of tangent at theta 90 degrees. So students, put theta is 90 in this one. We get 2b over a sine 90 is 1. In this way, slope of tangent is 2b over a. But students, in the question they had asked to find the slope of normal. So we know that tangent is perpendicular to the normal, hence slope of tangent into slope of normal is minus 1. So students, put the values. In this way we get slope of normal is minus a over 2b. Okay students, in this way we get the slope of normal at is minus a over 2b. So students, in this way today we have completed some important questions. So do a lot of practice. If you like my video, then share and subscribe it. Okay, thank you for watching the complete video.